Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can get director's mode on Snapchat. Well, it is quite easy. All you have to do is just go to Play Store or App Store, and here if you are seeing update instead of open, just update your Snapchat and you will be able to get director's mode. So basically you will get certain features with director's mode, like when you click on this flash button here, you will be able to change different colors and also the intensity of this flash. And there are other features as well, like when you click on this plus button, you will be able to see this option of timeline, sounds, timer, grid. And with the timeline, you will be able to make different cuts to your clips, and it is quite easy to make videos the way you want them to be. And you can also get green screen, and for that just click on search, and here search for green screen. Then you will be able to add green screen and also add the appropriate background as per your choice. So this is how easy it is, and this is how director's mode work. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.